Hey guys, welcome back to our Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm Semret Russom. You are?
Robela.
So today we are going to be learning colors in Tigrinya.
That's right.
You excited?
Yes.
All right, you guys, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start the program, which is learning colors today. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right,
Yes, yes teacher.
Color in Tigrinya means hebri.
Hebri.
Hebri, yes.
Hebri.
Black is tsalim.
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 Tsalim. Brown is bunawi.
Bunawi.
Brown is bunawi. Yes. Green is catelia.
Getelia.
Catelia.
Getelia.
Gray. Is it?
Not really.
Next is going to be gray is hakumishti.
Hakumishti.
Gray is hakumishti. Light.
Hold on, did I say that right?
Yeah.
Hakumishti?
Hakumishti.
Hakomishti. That's different. Hakomishti?
Yeah, you have to say it.
Hakomishti?
Perfect, yes. Hakumishti. Okay, light is hasas.
Hasas. Light.
Not hot sauce, hasas. So light blue, hasas, samayawi.
Wait, what's blue?
Blue is samayawi.
Samayawi.
Yes.
Okay, so you can say light for anything, right?
Light for anything.
Hasas. Samayawi.
Yes.
Hasas. Getelia.
Yes.
Hasas. Hamukishte.
Hakumishti.
Hakumishte.
Good job.
Hasas.
See?
Okay.
Hasas. And orange is aranchi.
Aranchi.
Yes. Pink is rosa.
Rosa. That's easy.
Like rose, right?
Rose.
All day. Red is kaye.
Kaye. Kaye.
Kaye.
Kaye.
White is zada.
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 Zada. White.
Yellow is bicha.
Bicha. Yellow. Bicha.
Bicha.
Owa.
Owa.
Hare. Ya
Oh,
anile.
ganzaka. Good job. So do you think
Nuferti.
Nufur.
Ya anile.
Ganzaka. All right, so next is gonna be testing you to see if you memorize it.
I'm nervous.
I'm gonna take your paper away.
Fine.
Sorry, no cheating. So I'll have it, but you won't. Don't look, okay? So color.
Color? Hibri. I'm not gonna look. Don't let me look.
Okay. Black.
Zelawi.
Zalim.
Zelim. Zelim.
Yes.
Okay.
Brown.
Bunawi.
Good job. Green.
See, I'm not looking. Green. Getelia.
Yes.
Getelia for green.
Green. Gray.
Hamuhishte.
Yes.
Hamuhishte. Yes.
Good job. Light.
Wait, I shouldn't celebrate too much.
Not yet. You have
Light.
to finish everything first.
Hot sauce.
No, not hot sauce.
Oh, hasas.
Hasas. Good job. And blue.
Blue is semalawe.
Semayawi.
Semayawe.
Good job.
Semayawi.
Orange.
Aranchi.
Pink.
Rosa.
Red.
Kiye.
Kaye. Good job.
Kiye.
Kaye.
Kiye.
No. Kaye.
Kiye.
White.
White. Zada.
Yellow.
Biche.
Not biche. This is not Italian.
Bicha. Bicha.
Good job.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, really?
That was easy.
Oh, okay. Great. Look at that. Good job. Now we're going to mix it up and see if you remember.
So just in case I memorize the order, is that why? Okay.
Exactly.
Just
How do
like-
you say red?
Rosa.
Nope.
Oh, sorry. Kiwe.
Kaye.
I can't do it.
You can?
Kiye.
Kaye.
Kiye.
No. Ke.
Ke.
Yeah.
Ye.
Keye.
Keye.
There you go.
Keye.
It's hard to say keye because there's no
Keye.
word in English, but keye. Brown.
Bunawe.
White.
Zade.
And gray.
Did I say that right? Is it Zade?
Zada. Zada.
Zada. And gray? Hamhushte?
Again?
Hamushte?
Hahumishti.
Hahumishte.
Good job.
Hahumishte.
Orange.
Aranchi?
Black. Black.
Zelim.
Good job. Wow, you said it right too.
I know.
How do you say color?
Hibri.
Wow. How do you say light?
Hassas. How about light orange? Do you want me to do light orange?
Yes.
Hassas aranchi.
That was perfect.
Would you like me to do light black?
Yes.
Hassas zelim.
That's right.
Would you like me to do light yellow?
Yes, please.
It's hassas bicha.
Yes. Good job.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness.
Gazepki.
Nufur. Batami nufur. Do you remember Batami?
Of course I do.
What is it?
I'll tell you later.
Now, I'm gonna point an item and then you're gonna tell me the color. Okay?
How'd I?
No paper, no cheating.
No pepper, no paper.
Let's see, where should we start? What color is this?
Bicha.
Ah, good job.
Bicha.
Bicha. Yellow.
Bicha.
Good job.
Yep.
What color is this?
Zade.
Zada.
Zada. Zada.
Yes.
White.
White.
Great.
Wow.
Do you want to ask about these?
Oh. What color is this?
Kise. Kisere. Kisere.
What? What color is this?
Keye.
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 Good job.
Keye.
Keye. Oh, what color is this?
My man purse.
Man purse.
Bonawi.
Bunawi.
Bonawi. Should I be paying attention?
What about this? What color is this?
Hushudiste?
Oh?
Hashudiste?
No. Try again.
Hashumiste? Hahumishti? Hahumi. I wasn't that far off.
What color is this?
Zelim.
Aline.
Zelim and Zada.
That's right.
Zada and Zelim.
Good job. Zara and Zalim. What about this color?
Rosa.
What is it?
Rosa.
Rosa. Pink. Rosa.
Rosa.
Good job. You're getting too good at this. What color?
This is Rosa. Rosa
Rosa.
and
Hahumishti.
Hahumishti.
Rosa and Hahumishti.
Hahumishti. Right here.
What color is this?
Aranchi.
Aranshi.
Aranchi.
What color is this?
Bicha.
Whoa.
Bicha.
Good. It's Nufa.
Yeah.
You're good.
How do you say light?
Zada.
Huh?
What?
No.
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
So next, I'm gonna show you guys, if you haven't noticed, behind us, this is an Eritrean flag, and Robiel is gonna say what color Eritrean flag is.
You know what's so great about the flag? It's got so many beautiful colors in it. So many beautiful hibri.
Hibri, yes. Okay, so this is my beautiful flag, and you're gonna tell me what color it is. Ready? All right, what color is this?
Semayawe.
What color is this?
Semayawe.
Oh, there you go.
Semayawe.
Sem.
That's how I remember.
Good job. What is this?
Kiye.
Kaye.
Kaye. Kaye. Hassas kaye.
Oh.
And that's hassas semayawe.
Yes. What color is this?
Hassas getelia.
What color is that?
Bisha. Bicha.
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 Yes. Do you want to know how to say flag in Tigrinya?
Yes.
Bandera.
Bandera. Hey, that's like Italian, right? Like vendetta in Spanish?
Oh, really?
I think so. Bandera. Eritrea.
Eritrea. Yes. So that was it. You did an amazing job. All right, you guys. So we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this color segment today. Robiel, you did a good job.
Thank you.
That was easy, I think, for you. Except 1 or 2 colors, but you did great. Anyways, I am gonna say goodbye, and hopefully we'll see you guys next week. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share and leave us a comment. We also read all your comments. We appreciate you guys, and so we're gonna say goodbye till next time. Thank you for watching.
Bye, ciao.
Ciao. Say ciao, Delu.
Bye.
Say bye. Yeah.